Can we add music to WhatsApp status? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's learn if we can add music to WhatsApp status. Without further ado, let's begin. So note that we are not able to add music to WhatsApp status directly from WhatsApp because there is no such built-in feature. But alternatively, you can use other apps like Facebook or Instagram. So what you can do is simply you need to go to Instagram, select photo or video, add music, and then you can easily save the video on that particular um, media. After that, you simply need to open WhatsApp, sign into your account, proceed by tapping updates at bottom left corner, tap on add status and select that particular video. So we can see that we finally have that particular video with song. You can easily play it and check it. Then you can tap on the share icon at bottom right corner of your screen and easily share as update or status on WhatsApp. So this is one of the best alternative method to add music to WhatsApp status. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.